Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about ADA, Cardano, targets, updates with my customer set. Let's dive in. Guys, global targets, you remember, I just want to focus on this local zone. So global targets for capitulation, if something happened in the world, if BTC will crash or if Ethereum BTC trading pair will dump or something happen. With the ADA, for example, the zone of accumulation, global one is 32 and 11 cents. So this is a block where we can trade, where we can accumulate Cardano if you believe in this project. Accumulate now or not, it's only up to you. I skip Cardano. I'm not a fan of ADA. I'm not a fan of any of tokens locally. Locally, I want to focus on this one. So here, if we use the fee, for example, we can use the impulse from this candle, for example, low to the top. Let's use the magnet. Let's hide all of these drawings, right? Here. So technically, here, if we use a magnet, if this is a starting point, this is a next point, we almost test the 78 level FIB. So correction can be, because it's a weekly time frame, this block for correction, local one, just local one. Global one, you know where. Right, we leave liquidity pool here. We leave actual lows. I don't like the situation when we leave the actual lows or actual highs like this one. You saw example on Ethereum recently when we leave this type of actual lows, and after that we move like this one. So just in case, locally will be more than okay to speculate. Speculate. So if you want to buy on a spot, you can accumulate even like this one, like grid, right? But for speculation, can open position at 50% of this block. So it's between 78, 84, and it can be around like, I don't know, probably the 50% of the gap on the weekly. So the gap on the weekly is 51.79 and 36.54. So around 42, 45, I guess it will be more than okay to open long position, for example, with a stop loss on the 32 cents, for example, and we can go higher. Of course, I truly believe in new high for Cardano. I'm not sure about all-time high, but yes, I don't think so. This is a $1.32. It's the end of cycle for the Cardano. No. Also, the next moment, bullish one, what we can see? We can see the test of yearly open. It's 84 cents. If we reject at yearly open and then 0.5 level by FIB of this local one, yes, more likely we will drop lower. So daily, it looks like this one. So this is also what we can see here. Monthly, weekly, yearly. So the road can be open to yearly, and after that drop, for example, in May. I can't say it's going to be the sell in May and go away event, right? But yes, it's possible to see minus 40, minus 50% down on Cardano, but we will be still in the uptrend. So technically, this is the best case scenario for Cardano with the targets $1.55, $1.61, and way higher. Locally, I don't like the candles like this one. What the spike? What is it? So this is a local one, so we can trade like this one, spike and drop. If we gonna bounce and pass the 0.5 and sweep this high, definitely this is gonna be the next level, $1.51, $1.61, $1.97. Definitely over than this liquidity pool. Where we leave it here in January 2022. So it's pretty simple now for Cardano. I hope, guys, honestly, I hope we will go higher from this current prices on alts, because I wish to see BTC dominance on the 55%. So finally, will alts take some breeze, because a lot of time we just trade just in some consolidation or whatever, right? Locally, why do I think so? We can go higher even if we drop to the 42 cents, because take a look, guys. It was that here. It was this one here. It was the break of structure. Recently, I posted the video about a break of structure. Of course, we're not confirmed by body candle, but it's not so important sometimes. We got an impulse, low, drop, bounce, sweep this high. So this was the last impulse, which gave us the last impulse down. Technically, of course, here, this was the last low, right? A local one. So we can count even this as like last impulse, break of structure, drop, and we build a new structure now with a higher lows and lower high global one. So technically, yes. If we sweep to line chart here, not. It's like equal. It's like equal. If we go to the daily, also like equal, right? So it's hard to say, guys, are we go higher from this one, current prices or not? Because now all eyes, of course, on the potential war between the Pakistan and India, the macroeconomic geopolitics. But locally, I wish to see something like drop to 42 cents, yes, and go higher. But it's so simple. It's so simple to drop the price again. So everybody gonna fill the bags. I'm more than sure now that people without a fear, because the people so long time period wait the altcoin season, and I guess they will finally get it. So just a matter of time. Some altcoin, like altcoin season, it's usually just the top 50 coins perform better than BTC. But for wider, sector of alts, I think yes, we will see the main performs when the BTC dominance will be under 55%, and Cardano, I guess, will perform also. So take a look, guys, with indicator set. It's on the Binance. It's not a global chart. Here's the accumulation. So this is accumulation, but without the awareness. It's good. This is not a trill, not a A3 or nothing. So it's just a positive for Cardano. Daily, yes, it can be there, and it is the trill zone, right? This was accumulation. So yes, logical to see the pump to the yearly build, that type of like people would here draw the trend lines, something like this one, drop, bounce, and go higher. So this is the best case scenario, right, for Cardano. But I don't think so. We will go like this one. No, I don't think so. So this is like a tiny now ranges, right? So resistance 84, support it's a sweep of equal lows 50, round number. I don't think so. We will test exactly round number. I think we'll drop or lower. Or much lower. ADZ showed you on a daily or weekly. Money power, guys. Here was a money outflow. Now we dump to the bottom, but without any money inflow. Money inflow, last one was here in May 2024. It's kind of interesting. It's kind of interesting and it's kind of bad. Daily, I guess there was a money inflow. Yes, money inflow, pump. Money inflow, no pump, nothing. And money outflow. So it's okay. It's okay. Take a look, guys. Trade on sell. Here was a sell. Take profit, buy. Pump, take profit, sell. Now we get a buyback. No signal to buy again. Here, sell on the weekly, buy back, 62 cents. But I wish to see anyway. I wish to see the drop. Take profit, guys. Here we reject at take profit line now. Buy line on the weekly, guys. Now all lines are dynamic, and yes, we can go higher to the next few weeks, to 42 cents to the buy line. On the weekly, daily, take profit line 95.59, buy line 48.44, sweep of this low, 12 time frame, guys. Yes, I wish to see the test of yearly open, test the take profit line, 89 cents, and then drop to the buy line. Buy line is 44.94. So this is what I told you before. So guys, all targets I showed you. Write please in a comment what do you think about Cardano. If you would like to trade with my customer because I will show in this video, use right medium, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.